पर्नेछ बोल्दाखेरि भिडियो कम्पलसरी पर्नेछ ल welcome to you all grade 12 students of the Celebration Poet College. Today we are starting with your sharing session where you will be sharing about your 6 subjects, how they are going and how are you preparing. That is the main task, and everybody will get 3 minutes time to speak. You will introduce yourself and where are you right now, you will introduce that. Then finally you will be sharing how are your classes going on. I'll give you 3 minutes time for everyone to write in your copy as a rough to introduce everything. So 3 minutes time. So exactly at 1:10 we will be sharing your experiences, how your online classes are going, how your notes going on different subjects. That sharing session will be there. So everybody has to speak. While speaking, you have to on your video. So I'm giving you now 3 minutes time to note down the things that you are going to speak. अब 1 मिनेटको समय छ, तपाईले माइक अन गरेर बोल्नु पर्ने छ। ओके, टाइम अफ भएको छ। अब हामी सबैजनालाई मैले आफ्नो स्क्रिन शेयर गरेर अगाडि बढाउँदैछु। तपाईले बोल्दाखेरि तपाईले भिडियो अन गर्नुपर्ने छ, मैले अघि नै भनिसकेको छु। ओके, रोल नम्बर 1 नाम भन्नुस्। रोल नम्बर 1 नाम प्लिज। रोल नम्बर 1 रोल नम्बर 2
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Is this Anuj?
Yes,
Anuj.
sir.
G-Y-N-W-A-L-Y.
G-Y-A-W-A-L-Y. No, sir. There was GY,
Uh-huh. A
W.
WALI. Roll number 2.
Yes, sir. Abin Tamam.
Abin Abin TAMN. Roll number 3. Roll number 4. Roll number 5.
Sir, Aisma Thapalia.
Yeah, roll number 4. Okay, sorry. 7, 8.
Sorry, sir, for me.
Sorry,
Vinayak.
name.
Vinayak.
Vinayak Bajgai. After Vinayak,
Ishan, sir.
Ishan Nepal. After Ishan,
Sir, Kripa.
Kripa Nepani. After Kripa,
Kritika Gautam.
Kritika Gautam. After Kritika,
Poonam, sir.
Poonam Ghimire. After Poonam,
Prasamsa.
Prasamsa. SIGDL Sigdel. After Prasamsa,
Pratima Gurung, sir.
Pratima Gurung. GURUNG Gurung. After Pratima, next please.
Ranju.
Ranju Gole. After Ranju,
Smriti.
Smriti. After Smriti, now who are left? Please say me. Who are in the meeting? 13 जना मात्र हो हामी. Okay. ल त्यसो भए other all are considered as absent student for today. Now I will not admit. अब हामी आजको शेयरिङ सुरु गर्छौं अनुज गेवालीबाट. मलाई लाग्छ अनुजले रेडी बनाएर लेखेको होला. तपाईलाई चाहिँ यो 6 वटा सब्जेक्ट तपाईले कसरी तयार गरिराख्नु भएको छ, कसरी नोटहरु बनाइराख्नु भएको छ, हामीले इन्टरनल असाइनमेन्ट सबै तपाईले हामीले रिजल्ट बाँडेको पनि देख्नु भएको होला सानो कक्षाको. त्यही अनुसारले हामी तपाईहरुको पनि सबै इभ्यालुएसन त्यही अनुसारले गर्छौं. भौतिक रूपमा उपस्थित भइसके पछाडी हामीले त्यही अनुसारको तपाईहरुको चाहिँ गराउँछौं र सकेसम्म अब भ्यालीमा हुने विद्यार्थीहरुको चाहिँ हामीले तपाईहरुलाई सर्टेन टाइम दिया हुन्छौं र सबै पढाउने टिचरहरु राखेर तपाईहरुको पनि हामीले चाहिँ यो रिजल्ट पनि त्यसै अनुसार गर्ने तरिकाले हामीले सोचिरहेका छौं. कपी सहित हेरेर like how we are doing for class 9, 10, 7, 8 on the same basis we will be calling you. So अनुज अलि पछाडी आएको छ होला, लेख्दै गर्नु होला र म स्मृतिबाट सुरु गर्न चाहन्छु. म लास्टबाट सुरु गरी स्मृति. सो मैले स्मृतिबाट हैन, यहाँ म जसको नाम आउँछ जसलाई यहाँ कंग्रेचुलेसन भनेर आउँछ उहिले चाहिँ बोल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. आजको हाम्रो गेम सुरु भयो. Okay, this is none other than Ishan Nepal. Congratulations. So you have to speak now, Ishan. Video on गरेर बोल्नुस् है बोल्दा. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Ishan Nepal from the Celebration Co-ed College, currently in my home, Koteshwar. And today I'm going to share my views on how my online classes are going on and how I am preparing my notes from the different subjects. Mainly, I have been attending all the classes and being attentive in the class too. I have prepared notes from book itself, as I have got all the books with me, and I have also uh, done my notes from the slides that teacher has given to me. Uh, I have taken different, except from my class time, I have made different time for studying and writing work. Evening and morning time, I study and do homework from my online classes, and I have been working bit hard than because this is uh, different than other situations, and I hope that this pays off for me as I have been doing all my work. Uh, Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you so much, Ishan. You have shared your how you are preparing and how you are making your notes, because after some days we will be calling for your all copies with all the faculties members, making one day off, totally one day off, and making your notes, stamping, and so on. In that way, we will be calling you also. That's good. Thank you very much. Now it's the next on. Let us see who is that lucky person to share. My guess is Obin Tamang. So congratulations. Yes, Obin, your turn.
Thank you, sir. My name is Davin Tamang. Good afternoon, everyone, and I'm here to tell all of you about how my online class is going and how I'm doing my notes. And we have completed many lessons, such as English, we have done from grammar, duration, and from literature, we have done the language of listener, Nepali, and other subjects also similarly. And until now, my all of the notes are up to date. The few newer notes are yet to be done. The PDF are yet to be, the PDF are still remain to get by students. So the notes that are to be done are up to date, and I attend my class regularly. I'm and I also am doing all my homeworks regularly and submitting it as soon as I complete it. So yeah, that's my how I do my online classes and my works. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Avin. Thank you so much. So you have shared your reward. Now I would like to request others to share about your all subjects like Nepali, English, maths, physics, chemistry, bio. How you have prepared the notes, how you are making the morning time and evening time, how you are utilizing it, and as you know that we have 3 hours class from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So before that time and after that time, how you are investing for your this beautiful year, because this is the last year for you all, because this will determine your career, because you will be going for the in the very big battle after this couple of years. That means after this we have to say that this year is the last year for you all, because next year you will be fighting with so many people. So that is the main everything, that for your career you have to do something. That's a we are very much focused on your curriculum, your textbooks, and your studies, your how your academics is going on, and so on. So let us see now who will be sharing, who is the lucky guy here. My guess is Binayak Bajgai. Congratulations.
Um, Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Binayak Baskai. I'm talking from my home, and today now I'll be sharing about how I've been using my time. I prepared notes, so I prepared notes late, so I'm little back from other, but I have been regularly, and I will be with others in few days. For physics, I made two copies as there are two teachers, and Nepali, English, and mathematics. I've been doing as the teachers and my friends have been sending PDF from their presentations. and other subject, botany too. I've been just doing like that. Others. Thank you.
Thank you, Binayak. Thank you so much. Now, let me go to next. Who is the luckiest guy here? My guess is Ranju Gole here. Yes. Ranju Gole.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Ranju Gole from Celebration Coed College. Today, I'm going to sharing how our class is going. I attend regularly class, but due to internet problem, I was not able to attend some classes. But I have consulted with my friends and making notes from provided slides in Google Classroom, and I have done homework up to date with my notes and homework, and also it is a pretty nice method of teaching.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Ranju. You have shared how you are managing utilizing your Google Classroom also. Thank you very much. So all the notes, whatever taught by the teachers are kept in Google Classroom, and some are in the messengers also. So I request you to prepare different folders in your desktop or in your laptop, so that you can see later on whenever you are having your examination or revision time. And please do not wait for exams. You are not reading for exams, you are reading for your career. So I request everyone, whenever anything is taught by your teachers, please be ready with the same topic, whether you are capable to share the things whatever you have understand without looking or not. That is the main target here, you need to know. So because do not depend upon exams are nothing. The content, whatever is in your mind, that is everything. So I request everyone, do not depend upon the examination. Exam मा आएपछि मात्र म पढ्छु, अहिले चाहिँ म पढ्दिन, like that things should be totally erased from your mind, because you are preparing for your career, not for teachers, not for the examination, not for your parents. That is the main thing that you need to understand. So now let me see who will be sharing. My guess is Pratima Gurung. Okay, my guess has become failed. It's a Prasamsa. Prasamsa.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Prasamsa, and today I'll be talking about how I'm utilizing my time. Till 1 to 4, there will be our regular classes, and after that, I revise the work whatever teacher has taught us in the class. And early in the morning, I complete all the tasks, homeworks that teacher provides us, and I submit the work. All the work, my all subjects work are up to date. And thank you.
Hey, thank you, Prasamsa, for sharing about your daily activities, how you are managing. Thank you very much. So you are utilizing your time. That's wonderful. And I request Prasamsa, as your dream is your chartered accountant, so please collect some CMAT books, CMAT books, for the entrance preparation for your this chartered accountant. And I request the near and dear students who are very near, I think you have to collect the book of IOE, YAMOE, practice questions, and so on. That books need to be collected, that need to be typed, and so on. So whoever are very near, consult with me to get time. Then you can collect the books, whoever are near. And those who are very far, the students who are in Valley, they will help you. So ask with them photographs or something, and start reading. Like I request for Pratima Gurung and Kritika Gautam, Kripa Neupane, who are very far from Valley. They need to consult with the friends. मलाई 2 पेज भए पनि फोटो खिचेर पठाइदेऊ न आज बी को मलाई 2 पन्ना पठाइदेऊ अथवा एमबीबीएस को आईयूएम को अथवा भाइब्रेन्ट को कस्तो छ नेम को कस्तो छ मलाई 2 पेज भए पनि पठाइदेऊ न भन्ने तरिकाले चाहिँ you need to work a lot because you know you are fighting for your career. मैले अघि पनि भनेको छु म फेरि पनि भन्छु आज मोटिभेशनल सेसन पनि मैले भनेको थिएँ र विशेष गरी मैले तिमीहरु सबैलाई भन्दाखेरि हामीले जति तिम्रो बुवा मम्मी मार्केटमा जानुहुन्छ तरकारी किन्नको लागि कहिले केही सामान किन्नको लागि एट दैट टाइम यु नो मलाई स्टप शेयरिङ गरेर शेयर गर्छु at that time you know your father or mother they will say okay if it is of 350 rupees ma 300 दिन्छु नि भन्ने तरिकाले बाबा मम्मीले भन्नुहुन्छ यो भनेको 50 रुपैयाँ एउटा चीजमा जोग्यो भने मासिक रूपमा 1500 जोगाउन खोजेको हो मासिक 1500 जोगिनु भनेको वर्षको 18000 रुपैयाँ जोगिनु हो वर्षको 18000 जोगिनु भनेको तिमी यदि नाम निकाल्यौ यही अबको 6 मन्थमा एमबीबीएस मा नाम निकाल्यो भने तिम्रो प्यारेन्ट्सलाई तिमीले दिने रिटर्न्स भनेको 50 लाख रुपैयाँ जोगिन्छ एमबीबीएस मा नाम निस्किनु भनेको आईयूएम मा इन्स्टिट्युट अफ मेडिसिन महाराजगञ्जमा नाम निस्किनु भनेको 50 लाख जोगिनु हो भने इन्जिनियरिङ को पुलचोक इन्जिनियरिङ क्याम्पसमा नाम निस्किनु भनेको अराउन्ड 20 देखि 25 लाख जोगिनु हो दैट्स इट्स नट अ जोक के गर्नु पर्यो त भन्दाखेरि बाबा मम्मीले यत्रो मेहनत गर्नु भएको छ मैले रिटर्न ब्याक चाहिँ के दिन सक्छु त भन्दा मैले नाम निकालेर दिन सक्छु भन्ने तरिकाले चाहिँ यु नीड टु थिंक हैन जो मेडिकल को विद्यार्थी छ मेडिकलमा तपाईहरुले चाहिँ अहिले देखि तपाईले पढ्ने त्यही भित्रको कुरा हो 11 12 कै कुराहरु आउने हो दैट्स यु नीड टु लेबर भेरी हार्ड बाहिरका विद्यार्थीहरुले यहाँ भित्रका विद्यार्थीहरुलाई भ्याली भित्रका विद्यार्थीहरुलाई सोध्नुस् फोटो खिचेर पठाउनुस् भन्नुस् माग्नुस् हैन कति विद्यार्थीसित 2-3टा रेफरेन्स किताबहरु हुन्छ कति विद्यार्थीसित आईएम को बुकहरु छ कति किताब भाइब्रेन्ट को छ बीई को छ यो भनेको के हो भने शेयरिङ गर्नुस् मैले त यस्तो पाएँ यसमा त यस्तो रहेछ अनि त्यसपछि तपाईको फ्यासिलिटेटर सरहरुलाई म्यामहरुलाई सोध्नुस् यसले तपाईलाई स्ट्रङ बनाउँछ कारण मैले अघि पनि भने योर प्यारेन्ट्स आर सेभिङ 18000 रुपैयाँ पर इयर बाइ रिडिङ फर दिस 6 months you can save around 50 lakh rupees and that is the main contribution for your parents. That's why I request everyone to please focus on your studies यदि अहिले फेसबुक एकदम चलाइरहेछ भने पनि सेपरेट द टाइम म 30 मिनेट चाहिँ फेसबुक चलाउँछु भनेर छुट्याइदेऊ हैन म 30 मिनेट चलाउँछु अथवा 1 घण्टा चलाउँछु भने 1 घण्टा त्यसलाई छुट्याइदेऊ तिमीले रुटिन बनाऊ सबै विद्यार्थीले रुटिन बनाउनुस् बिहान म 6 बजे उठ्छु भन्नु 6 बजे उठेर 6:30 बजेसम्म तपाईको आफ्नो पर्सनल बनाउनुस् 6:30 बजे देखि 9 बजेसम्म पढ्छु भन्ने तरिकाको रुटिन बनाउनुस् अब त्यहाँ घरमा अरु मम्मीहरु बाबाहरु हुनुहुन्छ जसले कुकिङ गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने म पढ्छु मलाई म डे टाइममा बरु खाजा बनाउँछु मम्मी बाबा भनेर कुरा गर्नुस् यसले के गर्छ भने मर्निङ को टाइम तपाईको पढ्नीमा जान्छ भने म अब यो मेरो क्लास सकिसकेपछि म खाजा बनाउँछु भन्नुस् अथवा इभिनिङमा म हेल्प गर्छु मम्मी बाबा भन्नुस् यसले तपाईलाई एकदम कन्फिडेन्स दिन्छ घरको काम पनि हामीले सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ बिकज आफ्टर अल वी आर 18 प्लस एज को विद्यार्थीहरु छौं यो भनेको के हो भने तपाईहरु +2 यो चाहिँ स्कुल लेभलको टप लेभलमा हुनुहुन्छ स्कुल लेभलको टप लेभलमा हुनु भनेको यु नो एभ्रीथिङ यस्तो तरिकाले हामीले बुझ्छौं यो समाजले यो सोसाइटीले हामीलाई बुझ्दाखेरि हामी सबभन्दा विद्वान स्कुल लेभलको हाम्रो टप युनिभर्सिटी लेभल छिर्नी बेलाको लेभल हो तपाईहरुको भनेको अब जम्मा 6 महिना 7 महिना पछाडी तपाईको जाँच हुन्छ त्यसपछि तपाई भनेको युनिभर्सिटी लेभलको विश्वविद्यालयमा पढ्ने विद्यार्थी आबद्ध हुनुहुनेछ त्यसकारणले गर्दाखेरि पढाइको इम्पोर्टेन्स पढाइको भ्यालु इज अ लट दैट्स तपाईहरुले चाहिँ मेहनत एकदम गर्नुपर्ने छ आज म यो स्थानमा आइ भनेको मेरो मेहनतले गर्दा नै म आएको हो यसको मतलब के हो भने राम्रोसँग यो कपल अफ इयर्स जुन 1 वर्ष बितिसकेको छ रिजल्टको ड्याम केयर रिजल्ट के हुन्छ ड्याम केयर किताब तपाईको साथी बनाउनुस् त्यसलाई तपाईको यस्तो बेस्ट फ्रेन्ड बनाउनुस् तपाईको फेसबुक पनि त्यही ट्विटर पनि त्यही व्हाट्सएप पनि त्यही तपाईको खेल्ने वस्तु पनि त्यही नाच्ने वस्तु पनि त्यही भन्ने तपाईले सोच्नुभयो भने पक्का पनि तपाईको नाम निस्किन्छ मैले भनिहालेँ तपाईको नाम निस्किनु भनेको हाम्रो कलेजको लागि त के हो भने उसले नाम निकाले भनेर हामीले त एउटा फोटो राख्छौं कंग्रेचुलेसन दिन्छौं फोटो राख्छौं तर तपाईको त भविष्य बन्ने कुरा हो त्यो दैट्स व्हाट यु नीड टु डु इज इट्स ओन्ली अप टु यु योर प्यारेन्ट्स लाई 50 लाख जोगाइदिने काम 25 लाख जोगाइदिने काम भनेको ओन्ली इट्स योर्स यसरी मात्र हामीले चाहिँ सोच्नु पर्ने छ म फेरि पनि अब फेरि अगाडि बढ्दै छु मलाई यो मनमा लागेको कुरा मैले शेयर गरे किनभने हाम्रो विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु भनेको हाम्रो लागि त तिमीहरु पार्ट ए भयो पार्ट बी अर्को आइसक्यो कक्षा 11 टाइममा तिमीले राम्रोसँग गरेर आफ्नो फ्युचर बनाउने हो। यति भन्दै अब गेमतिर हामी कसले सेयरिङ गर्ने छ उहाँको नाम डिस्प्ले हुँदैछ। My guest here is Smriti Nepal. Okay, Smriti.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Smriti Nepal. I study in grade 11 in the Celebration Court. Currently, I live in Koteshwar. I attend my class regularly and I have completed all of my notes of each subject. After completion, I submit it to the teachers and my teachers give me feedback through which I correct my mistakes. And then I have separated my morning time for mock-up session studying, and I have separated my evening time for works to do the works given by the teachers. I have prepared well of all subjects like biochemistry, maths, English. I have prepared well. Yes, I'm confident. I'm confident that if any exam is held, then I can do better. Thank you.
Thank you, Smriti. Thank you so much. How you are preparing in morning time. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, let us see now who will be next. Okay, it's of Anu's turn.
Hello everyone, it's me Anus from the Celebration Coed College, studying in grade 12. Recently, I'm here at my own home, Salagari Bhaktapur. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Vice Principal Sardar Sir and every teachers who are doing this, who are working hard for us during this pandemic too. They are running the classes frequently without any disturbance. Yes, I'm as per my friends, I'm also preparing notes, doing homeworks as our teacher has given to us. Yes, sir. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you so much, Anuj. You have how you are preparing. Thank you very much. So all the teachers are laboring very hard for you people, because if we complete the course in time, we will have 1 month's time for the preparation of BE, MBBS, Chartered Accounting, and so on. So in that way, we have designed the plan. So at the end of this Chaitra month, we will be completing the course. Then Vaishak month will be for MBBS and BE and Chartered Accountant. Then Jet month will be for the question bank and preparation for your board examination. Might be Asar month will be your examination time, because everybody has pushed up backside because of this COVID-19 pandemic period. So might be your board exam will be in Asar Sound. So we have tentatively planned for this at the end of this month we will be completing the course. Physically you may be present after Dasai Tihar only, we will call you, though you might have listened here and there. Some of the schools have already opened and so on, but we have planned, we have decided that only after Dasai we will be opening the college, so school both. So might be till that time we will be have virtual classes 3 periods. And if still after Dasai and Tihar, if it is not open, I will be managing 5 periods a day classes where we'll be providing you this mobile recharge time, and that means you have to charge your mobile, you have to charge your laptop, and so on. All the devices also need to be maintained. In that way we will design, so do not worry on that. We will be doing according to our schedule, whatever we have planned for you for your better career. Let's see who will be sharing next.
Excuse me, sir, once.
Okay,
Yeah.
just a minute, let us finish this. Okay. Okay, Aishwan.
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Ashma Thapalia from the Celebration Kuwait, currently studying in grade 12. And today I'm going to share my experience about how our online classes are going and about my works. So, our online class is going very smoothly and it is effective too. And talking about my homeworks, I have completed all the notes and the recent ones are in progress. And I have been submitting the works in the Google Classroom and in teachers Gmail as well, and I have got feedback from the teachers also. And sometimes due to my internet connection my works are submitted a bit lately, but I am always regular to my class. And I have separated my 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening after the class. 2 hours for that. 1 hour I do my homework, and next 1 hour I go through all the lessons what our teachers have taught. I revise them, and similarly in the evening also I do my homework for 1 hour, and next hour I see the questions from IOE book that I have taken from school, from our college. Our sir has provided us, and I came during the lockdown and I took the book and I checked the questions from there and I solved them. And overall my study is being great. I've been doing all my works and I've been submitting them as well. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Aisma. Thank you so much for sharing. Abin, I will be taking your question. Let me finish this. So we have now 4 participants. So this is, I think, Kritika or Kripa. Might be Kripa Neupane. Okay. Kripa. Is Kripa here? Kripa Neupane?
Yes, yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kripa Neupani from Celebration Quaid College. Currently, I am here in Gorkha. Today, I am sharing about my online classes, how it is going. I attend my class regularly. My online class are going smoothly, and I have made all subject notes which are kept in Google Classroom by our teachers. My all works are submitted up to date, and our all teachers are labor very hard to us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. She was from the Gorkha and she has shared how she's doing and she's regular in class. Thank you very much, Kripa. Kritika, no problem. Your audio, we can see it. Let us see whether lucky or not. My guess is Kritika here. Okay. No name was there. It's near to Kritika, so I think I request Kritika to share.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Kritika Gautam from the Celebration Coed College, recently from Dharan. And my online classes are going very regularly. And due to some technical problems, I won't be able to attend my some classes. But then my all notes are up to date. And I study 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening to revise all the works that teachers have given to me. I'd like to thank all my teachers for caring us during this pandemic as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Kritika. Thank you so much for sharing. Let's see who will be the second here today. My guess is here, Poonam.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Poonam Dimre from Celebration Coed College. About the online exam, online classes going on. in this pandemic time it is very effective, and I'm doing my notes regularly. Beside the technical problem, I'm able to attend all the online classes. And talking about the technical problem, and if I'm not able to attend it, my friend Kritika helps me, that we study this that, and I take help from her. And if I don't understand, or something is not being able to get in my mind, then I was the DOIT, which is very effective in YouTube. You guys also can watch it is very effective. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Punam. Now I think it's today's winner, another last. That winner was Pratima Gurung. So now your turn, please.
Hello everyone, I am Pratima Gurung. Recently I am speaking here from Lomjung, and today I am here to share my opinion that how our online classes is going on and how I am preparing my notes of all the subjects. And uh, recently, the online classes are going so well and smoothly, and I'm attending all my online classes regularly. If some technical problems occurs, then I consult to my friends that what we studied today, and they send me what we studied today. Uh, and I'm preparing my notes well as uh, teachers gave us assignments, and I wrote all the assignments and submit them at time, and my notes are up to date. uh, Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Pratima Gurung. She was from the Lomjung and speaking about her online classes and how she's managing morning time and evening time. Though we have a regular class of grade 12 from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and it has been already 2.5 months that we are regular in our online classes. So thank you to this COVID-19. Because of that, we were able to know many things in the online media. And because of this online, our study is not blocked by anything. Now I'm very happy that neither when the physical in during presence of physical time also, neither the strike, neither some bandhas and so on will stop us now, because this is the bardan, that is the cases that we got an opportunity from this COVID-19. Now I'd like to request Asmina Thapa to share. After that, Asmina, I would like to request Neha also to share. So now this is the turn of Asmina. You can on your video during your communication or your speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Osmina, and I'm in Kathmandu Valley, and our online class is going very effectively. And I have separated my uh, 2 hour morning time for revision of our classes and 2 hour evening time for my assignments which our teachers have gave. And I have prepared all my notes. Some notes of physics are left which I am doing recently, and I'll complete it very soon. Yes, that's it, and I'm working hard.
Thank you so much. Now it's a turn of Neha. So how you are doing different subjects and how you are utilizing your morning time and evening time instead of our online classes. Now I'd like to request Neha to share.
Thank you so much, sir, for letting me say something about it. Good morning, good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Neha, from the Celebration Co-ed, and I'm studying in grade 12. And today I'm going to say you something about our virtual classes, how it's going on, how I am preparing for it. I have been attending all the classes of these virtual classes, and due to some technical problems, I have been able to attend some of them. But my friends are helping me a lot on that. Whatever I don't know, my friend helps me, and whatever I don't know, my teachers helps me too. In this pandemic, I think teachers are doing a lot of things for us. We have to be grateful for them too. And I have been utilizing my morning 2 hours for my reading sessions, and my night 2 hours for my notes making and something. and I have been doing very well, and I hope I'll do much more better in this pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. And now, anyone left? Please give me if you have anything left. कोही छ बाँकी? ओके, हुन्न भने अब फेरि ओपन फोरम डिस्कसन नै गराउँछु म। थ्याङ्क यू नेहा। अब ओपन फोरम भने चाहिँ कस्तो भने मैले चाहिँ यसरी सोचेको छु, जस्तो कुनै दिन चाहिँ जस्तो यो अब आउने हप्ता चाहिँ तपाईहरु जो भ्यालीमा हुनुहुन्छ, भ्यालीमा हुने विद्यार्थीहरुको चाहिँ कपी चाहिँ लिएर आउनु पर्ने छ। त्यसपछि त्यो दिन चाहिँ क्लास हुँदैन। भ्याली बाहिरको विद्यार्थीहरुले चाहिँ कपी मेन्टेनेन्स गरेर रेडी बनाएर राख्ने। अब यहाँ हामीसित अहिले 6 वटा जिल्लामा विद्यार्थीहरु हुनुहुन्छ। विभिन्न जिल्लामा भएका विद्यार्थीहरुले चाहिँ के गर्नु पर्यो भने एक्सेप्ट काठमाडौँ, भक्तपुर, ललितपुर यो 3 जिल्लाका विद्यार्थीहरुलाई चाहिँ हामीले टाइम दिन्छौं। त्यो टाइममा चाहिँ विद्यार्थी आउनु पर्ने छ। जम्मा 2 घण्टाको लागि विद्यार्थीहरु चाहिँ उपस्थित हुनुपर्ने छ। आफ्नो अभिभावक सहित आउने। अभिभावक सहित आउँदाखेरि तपाईको चाहिँ कपीहरु लिएर आउने। अनि हाम्रो चाहिँ सबै जो पढाउनुहुन्छ हामी 9 जना चाहिँ त्यहाँ उपस्थित हुन्छौं। तपाईको चाहिँ कपी 9 जना टिचरहरुले चाहिँ तपाईको कपी चेक गर्नुहुन्छ र तपाईलाई चाहिँ सिग्नेचर गरेर स्ट्याम्प गर्नुहुनेछ। यो भनेको चाहिँ तपाईको आन्तरिक मूल्याङ्कन। जस्तो हामीले चाहिँ के गरेका छौं त, कस्तो तरिकाको क्लासहरु भइराछ भन्ने तरिकाले पनि हामी अगाडि बढ्न सक्छौं। एक अर्को कुरा चाहिँ तपाईले कति गर्नु भएको छ त्यसको रेकर्ड पनि हामीसित हुनुपर्ने छ, किनभने हामीले इन्टरनल असाइनमेन्ट मार्क्स पनि बुझाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ। द्याट्स ए आई रिक्वेस्ट एभ्रीवन, सबै जनाको चाहिँ तपाई भ्याली बाहिर भएको विद्यार्थीहरुको चाहिँ तयारी अवस्थामा राख्नु होला। आफ्टर दशैं विल कल यु, फेरि गाडी गुड्यो अनि सबै नर्मल भयो भने हामी तपाईहरुलाई फेरि बोलाउँछौं। हैन भने त डोन्ट वरी, हामी भर्चुअलमै जान्ने भइसकेका छौं। भर्चुअलबाटै हाम्रो यो सेसनलाई पनि हामी सक्नको लागि नो प्रब्लम फर अस, बिकज यु आर वेल नोन अबाउट दिस। सबै जना तपाई आफै प्रेजेन्ट हुन थाल्नु भएको छ र यही अनुसार चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ हामी गाइड गर्ने छौं। थ्यांक यू नेहा फर दिस सजेस्टिङ। माई भोइस वाज लो। ओके, थ्यांक यू भेरी मच। यो अनुसार चाहिँ तपाईहरुको कोर्स चाहिँ हामी कम्प्लिट गर्छौं। त्यही अनुसारले द्याट्स ए व्हाट यु डु इज, यहाँ भ्याली भित्र भइरहेको विद्यार्थीहरुको चाहिँ कपी मेन्टेनेन्स तयार पार्नु होला है। मैले माइट बी यो आफ्टर 3 or 4 डेज, जब स्कुलको चाहिँ अब हाम्रो अहिले 19 हिजो सक्यो, आज 5 to 8 सकिया छ। त्यसैगरी 4 भनेको यही तपाईलाई मैले बुधबार वा बिहीबार कुन एक दिन चाहिँ खाली गरिदिन्छु, जुनमा चाहिँ कपी स्ट्याम्पिङ, कपी चेकिङहरुको डेट राख्दै हुन्छु। अनि तपाईहरु आउनुहुन्छ अनि सर्कल गर्नुहुन्छ, सबै आफ्नो टिचर साथीहरु टिचरहरु कहाँ गएर कपीहरु देखाउनुहुन्छ। त्यही अनुसारको कस्तो भएको छ के भएको छ भनेर फिजिकल्ली हामी भेट गर्छौं। प्यारेन्ट्सहरु पनि हामीले बोलाउँछौं। यो अनुसारको मैले प्लान गरिरहेको छु र यही अनुसार एक दिन चाहिँ हामी अफ, त्यो दिन चाहिँ क्लास अनलाइन क्लास पनि नहुने क्या, त्यो तरिकाले मैले सोचिरहेको छु। तपाईहरुले पनि त्यही अनुसार मलाई साथ दिनु होला। यो मेबी आफ्टर 4 or 5 डेज। त्यसकारण तपाईको नोट के बाँकी छ भने नोटहरु सबै कम्प्लिट गर्नुस्, मार्जिन गर्नुस् र मेन अघि नै मैले भने हामी मेन अल्टरनेटिभ हाम्रो भनेको हाम्रो करियर हो। हाम्रो करियर भनेको चाहिँ तपाईको जुन डाक्टर, इन्जिनियर, चार्टर एकाउन्टेन्ट, ठुलो बिजनेसम्यान बन्ने जे छ त्यसलाई फुलफिल गर्नको लागि पढाइ सबभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट पार्ट हो। अहिले भनेको तपाईँ, मैले अहिले भनेको छु तपाईँ आफ्नो रुटिन बनाउनुस्। त्यो बेला मैले रुटिन पनि तपाईहरुलाई सोध्ने छु। रुटिन बनाउँदा कसरी बनाउनुस् भने बिहान म यति बजीदेखि उठेर यस्तो यस्तो गर्छु भन्ने तरिकाले तपाईले सेट गर्नुस्। अहिले हाम्रो जुन यो कोभिड-19 मा एजुकेसनमा राम्रोसँग सरकारले डिसिजन गर्न नसक्नुको कारण प्लान ए, प्लान बी, प्लान सी, प्लान डी यस्तो नभएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि यो अस्तव्यस्त भएको हो। अहिले 12 तपाईहरु त अहिले 12 पुग्नु भएको विद्यार्थी हुनुभयो। हेर्नुस् त त्यो 12 पढ्ने विद्यार्थी जो जाँचको लागि वैशाखको 11 गते कुरेर बसिरहेका विद्यार्थीहरुको के हालत भयो होला। अहिलेसम्म 6 महिना त्यतिकै बसिरहेका छन्। जाँच कहिले हुन्छ भन्ने टुङ्गो पनि छैन। भनेपछि यो अवस्थामा तपाईहरुले चाहिँ ओहो त्यो दाइ वा दिदीहरुसित चाहिँ हामी कम्पिटिटर हो है। अब उनीहरुसित कम्पिटिसन हामीले गर्नुपर्ने छ भन्ने सोचेर चाहिँ तपाईहरुले आफ्नो तयारी गर्नुपर्ने छ। म बुधबार र बिहीबार अब मैले भोलि बेलुका तपाईहरुलाई रुटिन पठाउँछु र मैले त्यही रुटिनमा दिनेछु। कपी स्ट्याम्पिङ टाइम, यु नीड टु प्रेजेन्ट विथ योर कपिज भन्ने तरिकाले म रुटिन सेड्युल गरौँला। बुधबार वा बिहीबार पर्छ, त्यही अनुसार चाहिँ म सेट गरौँला। त्यो दिन क्लास खाली राखौँला। इन द्याट वे, एक्सक्युज मी, हामी चाहिँ प्लान गरौँला। अब यस बीचमा कसैलाई केही भन्न मन छ भने प्लिज शेयर योर आइडियाज अल्सो। सर यसो गर्दा अबिनले अघि भनेको थियो आई वाज वन्डरिङ अबाउट सेपरेटिङ आवर बायो एन्ड ओके, त्यही दिन कुरा गरौँला नि त अबिन, किनभने अब फिजिकल्ली जबसम्म भेट छैन तबसम्म चाहिँ यो मलाई पनि डिफिकल्ट पार्ट भएको हो। अब फाइदा चाहिँ सबैलाई हुन्छ, कारण के हो फाइदा, किन फाइदा भयो भन्दाखेरि तपाईले बायोको जाँच दिने, तपाईँ MBBS को जाँच दिने नै पाउनुहुन्छ IOM को पनि भयो, IOE इन्स्टिट्युट अफ इन्जिनियरिङको पनि जहाँ दिन पाउनुहुन्छ दुईटै पढ्दा होइन म स्पेसिफाइड हुन्छु भन्नु हो भने नो प्रब्लम। यो हाम्रो फिजिकल मिटिङ पछाडि हामी यसलाई टुङ्ग्याउँछौँ। अब केही छ त अबिन?
छैन सर, त्यति सक्दैन। थ्याङ्क यू सर।
ल ठिक छ, यही अब बोल्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ। बायो लिने विद्यार्थीहरूले च्याट बक्समा आई एम प्योर बायो भनेर लेखिदिनुहोस् त, अनि त्यस पछाडि छुट्टिन्छ, ग्रुप छुट्टिन्छ। म प्योर बायो हो अथवा म प्योर म्याथ इन्जिनियरिङ हो भनेर मलाई च्याट बक्समा लेखिदिनु होला प्लिज, सो द्याट मलाई पछिलाई पनि सजिलो हुन्छ उसको इन्ट्रेस्ट यो छ भनेर। ओके, स्मृतिको आइसकेको छ, अरूको पनि प्लिज, सबैजनाको, कृतिकाको पनि आइसकेको छ प्योर बायो। बायो ओके, इन्जिनियरिङ छ अबिनको, पुनमको बायो छ, बायो छ। ओके, प्योर बायो कृपाको पनि, रन्जुको पनि बायो छ, प्रतिमाको पनि बायो छ, बोथ छ। अनुजले दुईटै जान दिन्छु भनेको छ, नो प्रब्लम। प्योर इन्जिनियरिङ आइसमाको बोथ प्रशंसाको, ठिक छ। ओके, ल त्यसको लागि यसो गर्ने, अब जो प्योर बायोको छ, अब यो हामी मिटिङ बसे पछाडि है, मिटिङ पछाडि चाहिँ तपाईँ 5 जना हुनुहुन्छ कि 6 जना हुनुहोस्, तपाईँको क्लास त्यही अनुसारको म सेट गरिदिउँला। तर अब मैले चाहिँ मेरो चाहिँ रिक्वेस्ट के हो भने दुईटै पढ्नुहोस्। अहिले मौका पाछ, त्यो एउटा सब्जेक्ट पढ्नलाई पछि कहाँबाट पाउनु होइन, फेरि छुट्टै त्यसको चाहिँ पछि तपाईँले पढ्न अहिले समय दिएको कारणले तपाईँले पढ्न पाउनु भयो। फिजिकली भएको भए तपाईँले पढ्न पाउनुहुन्न, त्यो कारण तपाईँलाई छुट्याइदिन्थ्यो हामीले ग्रुप। अनि जस्तो अब दुईटै पढ्न पाउनु भएको छ भने म चाहिँ के रिक्वेस्ट गर्न चाहन्छु भने नछोड्नुहोस्, मौका हो, दुईटै पढ्न पाइन्छ। मेरो पनि डबल आइएसी हो, डबल आइसी भनेको मेरो बायो पनि जान पाएँ मैले, म इन्जिनियरिङतिर पनि जान पाएँ, त्यो तरिकाको मैले चाहिँ एक्स्ट्रा म्याथ दिएर पढेको थिएँ। अब जो अहिले बायो प्योर छ, एक्स्ट्रा म्याथमा तपाईँले 40 मार्क्स ल्याए पुगिहाल्यो नि, तपाईँले 90 ल्याउनुपर्छ भन्ने छैन। जस्तो अब इन्जिनियरिङको मेन विद्यार्थी अब हाम्रो यो आइसमा भयो, अबिन भयो, अब उनीहरूले त कम्पलसरी म्याथमा त 90+ ल्याउनै पर्यो। अब बायोमा उनीहरू जस्ट पास भयो के, त्यो तरिकाको हुनसक्छ। अथवा होइन म बायो पढ्दिनँ भन्ने छ भने म जबरजस्ती चाहिँ गर्दिनँ कसैलाई पनि। तर मैले सुझाव दिनु पर्दा चाहिँ बेस्ट चाहिँ पाएको बेला मौका नछोड्ने हो, दुईटै पढ्ने हो। यसरी चाहिँ मैले चाहिँ तपाईँहरूलाई सजेसन दिन्छु। र अन्तिममा यो ओभरअल आजको क्लास कस्तो भयो भनेर फिडब्याक दिनको लागि चाहिँ म प्रशंसालाई र विनायक बजगाईलाई रिक्वेस्ट गर्न चाहन्छु। प्रशंसा र विनायक बजगाईलाई आजको ओभरअल सेसन कस्तो लाग्यो? मैले कतिपय कुरा चाहिँ तपाईँहरूको फ्यामिलीमा तपाईँले सहयोग गर्ने कुरा पनि भने तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ कसरी 50 लाख चाहिँ जोगाउने अथवा 25 लाख जोगाउने भन्ने खालका कुरा पनि मैले राखेको थिएँ। प्रशंसा र विनायकले चाहिँ यो सेसनलाई क्लोज गर्नेछन्। प्रशंसाबाट सुरु गरौँ।
थ्याङ्क यू सर। आजको क्लास एकदमै राम्रो भयो। हजुरले के अरे सबैले आफ्नो feedback about how our online classes are going on, virtual classes are going on, and you also told how can we save our parents money. Parents have done us a lot of things, they have given us. We can also return something for them by saving some amount of money, just reading vigorously for around till 6 months. Then we can have a bright future. And so for that we all have to labor hard. We have to do our work up to date. We have to search reference book from friends who are out of Delhi. They can ask the friends who from the Facebook Messenger and ask them to send photo and read about the topics. And now it is the time. We do not need to attend class. We do not need to go physically there. We are at home. We can practice all the topics, and we can be very much confident that that topic we can write properly in the exam. एकदमै राम्रोसँग आयो भने एक्जाम एकदमै सजिलोसँग दिन सक्ने कन्फिडेन्ट गरी हामी के अरे अहिले घरमा बसेर पढ्दाखेरि हुन्छ, कोही डिस्टर्ब गर्ने हुँदैन घरमा बस्दाखेरि. If we don't know anything, we can ask teachers. Teachers are always available for us. And thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Prasamsa, for wonderful sharing about total overall classes. So similarly, I would like to request now Binayak Bajgai to share. You can on your video. After that, I will be closing the recording, and we'll have our second period. So some of the friends are missing here, so you can message them to come back. So now it's the turn of Binayak Bajgai.
Thank you, sir, for asking me to close this class.
Today we heard about many of our friends' opinions on online classes, and you told us about how we can help our parents, or very least that we can do for our parents. And for and if you said that if we are confident now, we will be very easy for the future. Mm, and we should study, and our notes should be well managed so that it will be easy for exams. Um, Online classes are helping very much. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Binayak. So you have now 4 minutes time as a break, so you can have your water or toilet activities and so on. So I have to join class 11, so I'm stopping the recording here. So I'll be uploading this YouTube video by today evening, so that class 11 also will get more benefit from